like a Wall Street cheetah.
2 over. Yeah, Jordan. Shredder. Alex Donkey. Only the most steeziest on the up reels, on the ledges. Yes, sir. Sebastian Anton. Get it. Yo! Phoenix P-Bird. Quick, turn down. Ice 270. Come on, Dan. You gotta be kidding me, Dan Crook! Up rail. Coming from Nico. What's he got now? One-footed!
Represent the hard work each one.
Minutes. Godwin doing Godwin things.
Oh my God, bro. Yes, dude.
We are looking for the most. Oh my God! Sure, whatever. Pushing the bars, it doesn't matter. This is hammer and nails, baby. Down left, anything counts on the other obstacle. Oh. Yeah. Yep. For the most overall decorator guy. Oh, yeah, what? Yeah, Jordan. Sam Jones, lucky, press that nose down. Oh, Lacey on course, yeah. Casey Starland and Martin. That's what's up. Mental ledge on that ledge. Be mindful, lads, be mindful. Make some space over there, boys. Make some space in the tunnel. Yeah. Fire louder! Get out! Oh, yeah! Come on, we're resting every 4 15 minutes. here for Vika Forward. She took one. Yes, and that one. 5 more minutes. That's all it is, boys. That's all. That Lacey. Yes. Yep. Oof. Be the last song of the Hammer Nails. Yo. Oof. This is your last chance, boys and girls. The last 2 minutes are ticking officially.
Guns go off, smoking fire. Counts to kill your landlord.
Get back, get
What counts to kill your landlord?
back, get back, get back. Are left here. What? 3 to 5, Jordan Godwin. Nico Cologne. Nico, let's go. Yeah. 1 minute. This is legit. Yo! 3, 2, 1. Jordan.
Aaron made this for the first year of Hammer and Nails. I just kept forgetting to give it out. It's finally going out today. Yeah, I ordered these and he made the barbed wire and everything.
The brainchild of Felix Prangenberg, his mates, his family and whatnot. He wanted to create something special. Felix wanted to bring BMX street, BMX culture, music, art, tattooing, everything what he loves. He wanted to have it cramped in this place. So how about you bang your hands together for Felix Prangenberg? Obviously, teamwork makes a dream work. Get your hands out of your pants. Make some noise for Murray Louser! The tarmac, taxi, car, rail, ride, jump over, trunk, ledge. Winner was with an Oversmith Hard 180. Give it up for Fabian! What a trophy that is.
There you go.
At the We the People Best Trick Jam. So please give it up for the overall winner. So how about you bang your hands together for Sebastian Anton? Yeah, Sebastian. So, the mission was accomplished and conquered by one special human being. The sad part is she's not with us at this moment because she's got taken to the hospital. But give it up for Wiebke Vogel! Linda, bist du hier? Monster Cash Up Jam. One winner takes it all. The guy who impressed the judges the most. Make some noise for Casey Starling! Come on, Casey Starling!
Yes! Well deserved.